Hi everyone, I'm Kai the Koala, and welcome to our Let's Go 2 homework adventure. Today, we'll have fun while working through your workbook together. Don't forget, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up. Ready? Let's go! Today, we're reviewing Unit 8, Doing Things. In this unit, we talked about things that we can do. We also talked about action words or verbs. For example, swimming, playing, eating, doing homework, and so much more. These words end in ing. We also learned about where things are done. For example, at school, at home, at the library, or at the park. For those questions, we can ask, where is Where is she? Where is he? So without further ado, let's get started. On page 65 in part A, it says to write. We're going to use the words in the box to help us answer the questions. Number 1, what should we do? Let's swimming, let's play a game, let's riding a bicycle, or let's doing. Good. Let's play a game. You know what to do. Trace and write. Great. In number 2, it says, what are you? I'm. How do we ask, 뭐 하고 있어? In English. Good. What are you doing? What does it look like she's doing? Good. I'm riding a bicycle. In number 3, what are you doing? What are they doing? Good. We're swimming. Great job. Now in part B, we are going to look and write. Number 1, what are you doing? Well, there's 2 people, so they're going to say, we're playing baseball. Let's trace. Number 2, what are you doing? We learned this word in a different unit. Do you remember? It's where you go like, whoop. What are you doing? I'm doing a cartwheel. Great job. Check your spelling and let's go to the next page. On page 66, we're going to look at the pictures and write down which number are they doing. For example, if we look for the picture of dancing, we can find it right here. So we're going to write the number 1. Go ahead and look for all the other words and we'll check our answers. Alrighty, number 1 is done. Number 2, swimming, right here. Number 3, sleeping, my favorite. And number 4, drawing. Number 5, singing. Number 6 is down here, reading. Number 7, running. And number 8, walking. Good job. Let's move on to part B. We need to read and write. Number 1. What's he doing? He's sleeping. Let's trace and write. Number 2. What's he doing? He's reading. For numbers 3 and 4, I want you to write your answers and we'll check. Okay, can you tell me what she's doing? In number 3, she's drawing. And number 4, she's running. Great job. Check your spelling and I'll meet you at the next page. For page 67, in part C, we're going to look at the questions and also the picture that it's connected to answer the question. For example, number 1, is he swimming? Well, the line is connected to this picture. Oh, yes, he is. Let's trace. Number 2, is he dancing? Let's look at the picture. No, he isn't. For numbers 3 and 4, I want you to do the same thing. For number 3, is she singing? Yes, she is. And number 4, is she reading? No, she isn't. She's walking. Let's go to part D. We're going to look, read, and check. Is she dancing? Yes, she is. Number 2, is he reading? No, he isn't. Number 3, is she running? No, she isn't. She's walking. Number 4, is he singing? Yes, he is. Great, let's go to the next page. On page 68, we're going to use the words in the box to help us write down where they are. Number 1. Ooh, this is a school, so we're going to write at school. And number 2. Where are they? At home. Number 3. This one's easy. It has it in the picture. Good, at the store. Number 4. This one has it on there too. At the zoo. And number 5. Ooh, at the park. And last, at the library. Good job. For part B, we're going to read and write. Where is he? I see books. Oh, he's at the library. Let's write. Where is she? Oh, I see an elephant. She's at the zoo. Great job! Check your answers and I'll meet you at the next page. On page 69, it says to read and write. Number 1, where is she? She's at the store. What's she doing? She's buying a candy bar. Oh, so lucky. Let's trace. Okay, for number 2, the question is, where is he? Let's trace. Well, he's outside. I see trees in the back. Oh, he's at the park. What's he doing? What sport is that? Right, it's baseball. He's playing baseball. Number 3, where is she? She's reading a book. Where's a place that has many books? Good, she's at the library. Now we need to ask the question, what's she doing? What do you do at the library? Good, she's reading a book. Because she's only reading one, right? She's reading a book. For number 4, I want you to ask the question, tell me where he is, what he's doing, and we'll check your answers. Let's check. For number 4, the question should be, where is he? He's at home. And what's he doing? Oh, he's eating. Good job. Check your spelling and I'll see you on the next page. For page 70, you can do it on your own. All you need to do is find the words that have UE, UME, and EW. Then you're going to write it down on this side. In part B, you're going to check which word is the correct word for the picture. For example, in number 1, we know that this is glue. Easy, right? You can do it. On page 73, we're going to trace and write. You're going to answer the questions. For part B, you're going to read and match. For example, in number 1, where is he? He's at home. So we need to draw a line to the picture of someone at home. Oh, down here. On page 74, you're going to circle, trace, and write. For example, in number 1, you're going to look at the picture. What's she doing? Is she eating or reading? She's eating ice cream. You're going to circle eating and write, she's eating ice cream. Yum. Easy, right? Go ahead and complete these pages. On pages 75 through 80, these are all review for numbers. You're going to draw, trace, and write. For example, for the number 1, we're going to draw one thing. For 2, we're going to draw 2 things. Don't forget to trace and write. Wait a minute. This was the last unit for Let's Go 2. Oh my goodness! We're all done with the book. You did such a great job, and I'm so proud of you. I'll see you in the next book.